Mr. Gerber, it's your call off the pole.
Huh? I know that.
All right, Gerber takes off for Ron Mick with Justin in third right now.
Hey, Slim.
So we'll let this one get sorted out. See what shakes out. This is your A main 17.5 trucks. No surprise that the hometown hero takes the TQ and the early lead in the A main. And pulling away. You guys are not going to believe this, but Mr. Gerber is on a 68 lap pace right now.
Right, we're not going to believe it.
Oh, look out.
We don't want to believe it.
Choose up a gear. That did not sound good. Wow. Mr. Gerber's quick lap so far, early on, 3:6:04. I'm sorry, 3:6:05. And I think Mr. Lord is done with this one. Teed up his third here, it sounded like. But Mr. Gerber continues to pull away over Ron Mick.
What got me one time, I came in and I caught the ice, and it went.
The plain white truck with the power push on the side is your leader.
Going again.
Second spot, the paint number 11. Third spot, silver number 4. $13.5 nationwide, C main. You guys should be through tech and ready to go. $13.5 nationwide, B main. Jeremy Gullo, Dan Harding, Derek Carpelletti, Rick Lord, Connor Mullen, and Kevin Brown. You guys should be starting to get ready. Gerber still pulling away, now on a 66 lap 4:03 pace. Drops off quite a bit. Yeah, I said start getting ready. He's got a couple of 2 down, 2 to go, drivers. 2 down, 2 to go. Gerber continues to lead, pulling away. He's got half a lap up on second place. Unless he has problems, I think he's got this one locked up. But Saffron trying to chase down Ron Mick. Fourth spot is Kevin Brown. That's the purple number 28 truck. Rocky in fifth. Mr. Gerber just annihilating the field. Anytime you come here to Brunswick, Ohio to race at the gate, that's the truck you got to look out for right there.
Yeah.
Magic says, yeah. So Saffron in the cellar number 4 trying to work over Ron Mick as he gets caught up with Kevin Brown. Rocky moves over, lets the field by. Minute to go, drivers, minute to go. Yeah, Mr. Schumann says everything. The man is a legend here at the gate. 45 seconds to go, drivers. Nationwide C main, you guys should already be through tech. 30 seconds to go. B main nationwide. Should be thinking about it. 20 seconds to go. Mr. Gerber still on a 65 lap plus run. Wow.
I think I had it too.
Ron Mick is with a 362. Justin with a 362. 4 seconds to go. Keep going till we call you done, drivers. Keep going till we call you done. All right, everybody's done. How about a big round of applause for Mr. Wayne Gerber with a 65 403 Sportsman truck.
Yeah.